as you've already seen in the title of this video, in this session we will be discussing the story of Fritz, which is there in your ISC class 11 and 12 from your Ecos literature. So we will be discussing the story in this video, and if you don't have the book, so you can just listen to the story. And Fritz, this is a very interesting story. It is about a haunted doll. So friends, you must have heard about Annabella. She is a haunted doll. So similarly in this chapter also, as the title of the story, it is Fritz. So Fritz, it is actually a haunted doll, which is a Swiss doll. Swiss doll means it was brought from Switzerland. And friends, this story, that is Fritz, it is written by Satyajit Ray, who is a renowned writer, and you must be knowing that he is an Indian writer. And at the same time, I have already made a video in which I have discussed the summary of Salvatore. So if you have not watched that, so you can watch it from the link provided in the description box of this video. And if you don't know the story of Annabella doll, तो उसके रिगार्डिंग भी मैंने एक वीडियो बना रखा है, तो अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो इस वीडियो के बाद आप वो देख सकते हो, तो मैंने उसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर दिया है. Well, so let us begin with the story, and friends, do watch this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like and do share this video with your friends. So let us begin. So friends, now the story begins. There are two characters, Jayanto and Shankar. They are both friends. Jayanto, he is a newspaper editor by profession, and at the same time his friend Shankar, he teaches in a school, that means he is a teacher. So now they both plan to go to a trip together. So they decided to go to Bundi. Bundi, it is a small village in Rajasthan. So they decided to go to that particular area in Rajasthan, that is Bundi. And now we see that Jayanto, who is the friend of Shankar, he already has some old memories associated with that particular place, that is Bundi, because he had already been there in his childhood. When he was small, he had already been there with his parents. So now when they reached there, they decided to stay at Circuit House. Circuit House, it is some sort of guest house. So they decided to stay there, and we see that Jayanto, he is recalling back some old memories associated with that particular area, that is Bundi, and some old memories are gushing into his mind. So we see that now Jayanto, he tells Shankar about the doll which his uncle had gifted him when he was small, when he was 6 years old. At that particular time, his uncle had gifted him a doll. It was 1 foot tall doll, and at the same time it was a Swiss doll. Swiss doll means it was brought from Switzerland. So that was the doll which his uncle had gifted him. So now Jayanto, he tells his friend Shankar how he was so much attached to the doll, and he always used to play with it, and at the same time it had a smiling face, और वो जब भी कहीं पे भी जाता था तो अपनी doll को साथ में रखता था, साथ में लेके जाता था. Then suddenly there was an incident that had happened with the doll. तो वो incident क्या होता है? One day he was having tea and the doll was kept beside him. So he had kept the doll beside him. He was having tea, and the tea, it fell on his pants. He went inside to change his pants, and when he came back, he saw that the doll was missing. Upon searching, he found that the doll had been destroyed completely by the street dogs. So when he saw that the doll was completely destroyed, he felt upset. So now Jayanto, he buried the doll under the deodar tree which was in the veranda. So there was one more strange thing that had happened. When Jayanto's uncle, he had purchased the doll from the shopkeeper. So the shopkeeper who had sold it to Jayanto's uncle, he had told that he is called Fritz and you must call him by this name. He won't respond to any other name. So this is the thing which shopkeeper had told to uncle. So this is very strange, right? Because why will the shopkeeper say in this way that he is called Fritz and you must call him by this name and he won't respond to any other? So this is the thing which shopkeeper had told. So might be that the shopkeeper also knew that it was the doll, it was a haunted doll. Friends, all these things had happened when Jayanto was a child, when he was only 6 years old, and he was narrating the incident to his friend Shankar. So this was the old memories that he was recalling, and he was telling it to his friend, and they were in Bundi at this particular time. So when they were sleeping at night, so Jayanto, he was awakened by a slight noise. He heard a slight noise and he was awakened, and even Shankar, he woke up, and then Jayanto told Shankar that he was awakened because of a slight noise, and at the same time he felt something had crawled over his body when he was sleeping. And when he saw the blanket, he saw that there was some sort of footprint on the blanket. So now they felt very strange. So now when they woke up the next day, so Jayanto, he revealed that it was actually the footprint that was there, and he felt some slight noise. He felt some sort of noise at night, and at the same time something had crawled over his body. So he said that it was actually Fritz. So now his friend was also confused, and now he decided to solve the matter. Shankar, he decided to solve the matter. So what did he actually do? So now both went to that particular place where he had buried, that is under the deodar tree. They both went to that particular place, and now they took hold of a gardener, and they told the gardener to dig the place where he had been buried. This is the incident which was there, which had happened when he was 6 years old. That is the doll, it had been destroyed and he had buried it. सो गाइस उसके बाद जब वो लोग डिग करते हैं तो उन्हें क्या मिलता है, दे फाउंड अ 12-inch लॉन्ग ह्यूमन स्केलेटन. सो नाउ दे डिड नॉट फाइंड द बॉडी ऑफ फ्रिट्ज विच वॉज बरीड लॉन्ग बैक व्हेन जयंतो वाज अ चाइल्ड एंड ही वाज ओनली 6 years old. He had buried it, but now they found a 12-inch long human skeleton. So the story ends here, and this is the story of Fritz, which is written by Satyajit Ray. So friends, आपको स्टोरी कैसा लगा आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना. So friends, this was the video, and if you have any doubts or queries, then you can write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.